Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you a soup recipe, and that's called clear chicken soup. Okay, now the ingredients, I will tell you what the ingredients are. Only I want to explain about the onion. That I've taken ready dehydrated onion, but if you don't have that, you can just fry the onion, make it brown to get that brown color. But I'll show you the ingredients now. The ingredients for clear chicken soup is I've taken chicken. This is just one piece. I've taken two more pieces like that. Then one clove. Then brown onion. This is for the color, golden color. Or you can use plain onion, sliced onion too. But these are brown onion I've taken. Then peppercorns. Then bay leaf. Then carrot. I've grated the carrot and egg white. That is if you want it with the egg. Otherwise, for clear chicken soup, I don't use this egg white. But I've taken I've taken water. The chicken soup. I've added chicken here, and you can see these empty shells, empty eggshells. They clear the chicken soup comes clear. I've grated carrot and all the ingredients that I showed you. Bay leaf. Where's the bay leaf? Here, bay leaf. Then black pepper. Then one clove. And that's it, and the onion, that brown onion. Okay, and you boil this, so this chicken soup is now ready, nearly ready. I'll strain all this. While serving, I'll of course shred this chicken and serve the clear chicken soup. Now if you like eggs, then I will beat this egg white. I'll beat this egg white and I will slowly add into this chicken soup. But as this is a clear chicken soup, I don't add the egg whites also. I'll just strain this now. Okay, now you can see I have strained all the carrot, the bay leaf, the eggshells from this stock. Now the chicken soup is ready. I have to just add now salt as per taste and black pepper. The black pepper is as per your liking. You can keep it on the table otherwise. Now the chicken stock is, soup is ready. Clear chicken soup is ready. I'll pour it into this. See, it's got the golden color because of that brown onion I used. You can even, and then I have taken this chicken. Just add shredded chicken on this. That's it. The chicken soup is ready for you to have. It's a nice soup for winter. Yummy. Just try it. And of course, if you have small kids at home, then I told you that egg white, you just whisk the egg white. And when the chicken, the stock is boiling, you add slowly that egg white. But I have not done that. I've just kept it clear, as this is a clear chicken soup. Okay. Bye.